Good morning, everyone. This is Sudeep Shah, astronumerologist, and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the possibilities for Nifty 50 for Tuesday, December 22, 20. See, before I begin about today's predictions, let me just see what I had said yesterday and how the market behaved. Yesterday, I had clearly said that you're going to see a downtrend, and the intensity of intraday recovery, the trend of intraday recovery will gradually decline from 28th of December. And you have seen, like, all of a sudden the markets fell by around 600 700 points from day high, and though near closing the markets had recovered by another 200 250 points. So you have seen, like, the thing, like how one news, and how the markets reacted to one negative news. I had clearly said that the new strain of coronavirus has gone out of control in London, and they are actually imposing lockdowns once again. And I had also tweeted this in one of my predictions while tweeting about Jupiter's transit to Capricorn. I had clearly said that lockdowns may get reimposed at some levels, at some areas, to curb the to curb the coronavirus infection. So we are living in very sensitive times, and the stars, what they are telling me is like, you are going to see some kind of profit bookings very soon, because with this crash, you, you know mutual funds are going to come under redemption pressure. So you are going to see some kind of profit bookings in the upcoming period, and the markets are likely to fall even more from here as well. So till what where it can go, that I will be discussing in my upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let us just focus on today's game plan. See, if I look at the chart for December 22 9:15 a.m., December 22 20 9:15 a.m., I can see that the moon is moved to Pisces sign. So it has come out of Papkartari Yoga. So in Pisces, it is in conjunct with Mars, though it is still to more than 20 degrees away from Mars. So the conjunction won't be that much effective, but still it is in conjunction, and this will create Mahalakshmi Yoga, which is a very good yoga. Plus, it is aspected by Saturn. Saturn's third aspect is on it, which is also considered to be auspicious. So, and it is also aspected by Ketu. Yes, so Ketu and Mars, they give similar results. Okay, so moon is in Uttar Bhadrapad Nakshatra, whose lord is Saturn. So if your name sign or moon sign is Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, then you're advised to stay cautious in the market today. And if I talk about the trend, generally it is seen that in Panchak. Now Panchak means the last five stars, the last five constellation of the zodiac signs. Uh, Now if I see the trend of the Panchak, so generally markets have shown uptrend in this case. But however, in this case, Jupiter has lost the planetary order, as I had said yesterday. So, and the positive yogas does shows that the markets are going to recover from the lower levels, but how much above, by how many points above it will go, now that's a question. Now whether it will be able to sustain the upper levels or not, now that's a question mark. So whatever you do it with strict stop losses, because markets are going to become highly volatile, and the intensity of both side movements will become stronger. So every day you're going to see both side movements, and the generally I can see a downtrend from here as well in the upcoming days. So especially with the transit of Mars to Aries, I can see a downtrend from here. So but you work at levels, You consult with your financial advisor before you take any kind of trades, and also don't forget to apply strict stop loss to every trade. Alright friends, have a great day. Bye.